In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam app already running error. This error usually pops up when Steam thinks a game or the client itself is still open in the background, even though you've already closed it. The fix is simple. First, try closing Steam the normal way. And if that doesn't fully shut it down, we'll use Task Manager to end the leftover Steam process. I'll walk you through it step by step and explain what to look for so you don't accidentally close the wrong thing. Start by opening the Steam client and looking to the top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu, then choose Exit. Give it a few moments to close. If you see the Steam icon near your system clock, wait for it to disappear. Sometimes downloads or updates can keep it alive a little longer, so a short pause helps ensure the client fully shuts down. If the error still appears or you suspect Steam didn't close completely, open Task Manager from Windows. Click in your desktop search bar, type Task Manager, and then click the Task Manager app when it shows up. If you prefer a keyboard route, press the Control, Alt, and Delete keys together, and then click Task Manager from the options screen. Either path opens the same tool, so use whichever is more convenient. Inside Task Manager, make sure you are on the Processes tab. Look through the list for Steam 32-bit. Depending on your system, it may also appear as Steam Client Bootstrapper or simply Steam, and it might be under Apps or Background Processes. Click it once to highlight it. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the Steam process and not another game or unrelated application. Ending the correct process is important to avoid closing something you still need. With Steam 32-bit selected, click End Task. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead. This forces Steam to close completely and clears out the lingering process that triggers the app already running message. Give it a second to disappear from the list. Once it's gone, the blockage is removed, and you should be all set to proceed without that error getting in the way. To recap, close Steam from the Steam menu using Exit, open Task Manager, either through the search bar or with Control, Alt, and Delete. Find Steam 32-bit in the Processes list and click End Task. That's all there is to it. This approach resolves the issue that in most cases because it stops the stuck background instance that Steam is detecting. If the message returns later, simply repeat these steps whenever you need a clean shutdown.